A well-designed website is crucial in today's digital world. It's often the first point of contact for potential customers. A good website makes a strong first impression. It should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. A website is a powerful tool for businesses and individuals to showcase their brand. In the past, websites were just for big companies. Now everyone needs a website to compete. Your website is available 24/7. It's like having a storefront open all the time. A well-designed website can attract new customers and grow your audience. HTML is the foundation of every website. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML tells the web browser how to structure the content. Think of it like the skeleton of your website. HTML uses tags to define different elements. Tags are enclosed in angle brackets. For example, H1 signifies a heading. HTML is easy to learn. There are lots of online resources available. CSS is used to style the look of your website. It stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS controls elements like colors, fonts, and layout. You can make your website visually appealing with CSS. CSS is separate from HTML. This separation makes it easier to manage the design. You can create style sheets to apply to multiple pages. CSS allows for greater flexibility and control over the website's appearance. JavaScript adds interactivity to websites. It makes websites more dynamic and engaging. JavaScript can handle things like animations, form validation, and user interactions. JavaScript is a powerful language. It can be used for both front-end and back-end development. Learning JavaScript opens up many possibilities for web developers. Section 5. The importance of responsive design. Responsive design ensures your website looks good on all devices. This includes desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. People use a variety of devices to access the internet. A responsive website adapts to different screen sizes. It provides a positive user experience on any device. Responsive design is crucial for reaching a wider audience. Section 6. Essential tools for web developers. Web developers use a variety of tools. Text editors are essential for writing code. Some popular options include Sublime Text and Visual Studio Code. Web browsers are used for previewing and debugging websites. Chrome and Firefox are popular choices among developers. These tools help streamline the web development workflow. Section 7. Navigating the world of frameworks and libraries. Frameworks and libraries are pre-written code modules. They provide ready-made solutions for common web development tasks. They save time and effort by providing reusable components. Some popular frameworks include React, Angular, and Vue.js. Libraries like jQuery simplify JavaScript coding. Using frameworks and libraries can speed up development. Section 8. Tips for aspiring web developers. Start with the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Practice building simple websites to reinforce your skills. There are many online resources available for learning web development. Don't be afraid to ask for help and join online communities. Web development is a collaborative field. Embrace the learning process. Section 9. The ever-evolving landscape of web development. Web development is constantly evolving. New technologies and trends emerge regularly. Stay updated with the latest advancements. Continuous learning is crucial in this field. Embrace new challenges and never stop experimenting. The future of web development is full of exciting possibilities.